Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and Chalkcouture. In today's quick video tutorial, we're going to show you how to make this fun The Elf Made Me Do It board on our 9x12 Odette black frame board. Let's get started. We're going to start by fuzzing the elf transfer on our fuzzing cloth between 3 to 5 times and then secure it onto the Odette board. Now, this is a one and done, meaning we're going to do all of the colors and then do the reveal. The colors we're using is Shimmer Silver, Candy Apple Red, Meadow, and Black Velvet. The Candy Apple Red will be used on the hat, the elf, and the shoes, where the Meadow is going to be used on the brim of the hat and the brim of the shoes. We're going to finish with the Black Velvet on the words and the Shimmer Silver on the board. Now we can remove all of the excess, put it back into the jar, and then we can do our final reveal of this adorable elf board. This board is so much fun, and I have to say, all of the kids I've shown it to loves it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you're not currently working with a Chalkcouture designer, we would love to be your Chalkcouture designer. You can shop from our Chalkcouture design store down below with all the links, or you can save 40% off the entire Chalkcouture catalog by joining our Chalkcouture team as a designer. And we also have our Club Couture program, where you get an exclusive B-size transfer and 3 paste singles every month for just $19.99. And we have exclusive sales just for our Club Couture members. All that information is down below. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.